This short video tutorial discusses the use of Picasa to create a web album and then creating a slideshow of that web album and posting that to your Blogspot account. You'll need a Google account in order to do these two functions, and that is relatively easy to do at google.com. And then you'll also need to download Picasa for either Mac, Windows, or Linux. So assuming you've got the Picasa software downloaded and ready to go, I've imported these pictures from my camera directly into Picasa. That should be handled relatively seamlessly using the software. And now I've got this folder that I want to create a web show of. Now I could also create another folder and select maybe a handful of these photos and put them into another album, but I'm going to do the entire folder as a web show. So I'm going to right click on Arizona 2, which is the folder I want to share, and I say upload to Picasa web albums. Now it's got some options here. I'm going to make it small, so it's for blogs and web pages as discussed, and then I'll click public here so that I have the option of making a slideshow out of it. Now I'm going to click upload, and now we'll see it's uploading the photos. Okay, with that done, I can close this window. And now I've got an option here at the top right hand side of View Online Public. And notice I've got a little world on my folder here indicating it's a web folder, and I've got little green arrows indicating they're uploaded and online. I click View Online up here in the right hand corner, and that should take me to my Picasa web albums. And there they are online. Now, here's the most difficult part of this process in terms of creating a slideshow that we can embed into our Blogspot post. I'm going to click link to this album, and then it's over here on the right hand side, embed slides, and that should bring up a small dialog. Your typical main column size for your Blogspot account is 400 pixels, so I'm going to make it a large size. And autoplay, that sounds great. I'm then going to click down here in this HTML code area and copy this code, because this is the code I'll need to embed in my post. So copy, and I say done. Now I can go to my Blogspot account. Right here, so here I am at the Blogspot account, and now I'm ready to create a new post. So new post. Let me hit a couple enters here, so it brings the cursor down. I'm then also going to select center. So let's select all of this and select center. Good, then so everything will be centered. And then I got to click Edit HTML because this code that I want to embed is an HTML. So I just copied and pasted that into this HTML side. Now I'm going to go back to Compose. So I'm going to click on this Compose, and then now I should be able to see my slideshow in there. Let me select all that and click center once again. So it centers everything. Where's my slideshow? There it is, it's centered. And then I can type a title on the top of it. Alright, and I can type whatever I want in there, and then I'll click Publish Post. So let's view it. And there you go. You've got a slideshow that's from your Picasa web album that's now embedded in your Blogspot post. Very easy way of putting multiple pictures into your Blogspot blog using Picasa.